Actually, ironically, the only testing that I like for headlines is Thrive Headline Optimizer.
Oh wow, we go
and
from
the,
like a non-recommendation to recommendation
and the reason I like it,
on
it
your
does add
site. Yeah.
bloat. It does add bloat, but the reason I like it is it measures the engagement on your site. It doesn't look to Google's external search results,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
it's not changing it for Google. It's just changing it for the user, and you can kind of decide, what defines engagement, like if the person scrolled or time on page
Interesting.
and everything like that. So I did title testing with the humans in mind, like which titles make people stick, and it's amazing what kind of spread that had. Like you're essentially testing a headline, right?
Yeah, yeah.
On a landing page. Essentially, that's what you're doing. So we know that that's impactful. Um, and it had it had great benefits. However, in a quest for site speed, it didn't survive the chop.
No, no. I was gonna say, do you still do that now? Like, do you
no,
still do these A/B tests now?
no,
No.
but one of the reasons I don't do it is because I was doing it for like 2 years. Every post had 3 titles, and I've digested all of that learning
Yeah,
now.
now you know what
I
to
feel like I
write.
don't really need to I have a better feeling for it. So it just wasn't worth the trade off in site speed, user experience, and